Did you know a young doctor risked everything to save lives by exposing her own mentor? Dr. Amanda Chen was just a third-year surgical resident when she noticed something terrifying. Her attending physician, Dr. Richards, was operating while clearly impaired. His hands shook during delicate procedures. He made dangerous decisions that put patients at risk. Amanda faced an impossible choice: report him and destroy her medical career, or stay silent and watch patients suffer. The medical hierarchy protected senior doctors. Speaking up meant certain retaliation. But she couldn't ignore what she saw. She filed a report with the medical board. The backlash was immediate. Colleagues avoided her. Supervisors became hostile. Her residency was threatened. For months, she endured isolation and professional attacks. Then the investigation revealed the truth. Multiple malpractice incidents, patients harmed by the impaired surgeon. Amanda was vindicated. The hospital board commended her courage. She completed her residency with honors and received a prestigious fellowship offer. Sometimes doing what's right costs everything until it rewards everything.